It is a situational question, and in this question, you have a situation that you have already gathered the data and you want to analyze them for further aspects. So if you look at the options, all the options are, techniques of data analysis during risk identification, but based on the situation that we have, which data analysis technique we are going to use. First data analysis technique is root cause analysis. You see, root cause analysis is also referred as Ishikawa diagram, fishbone diagram, YY diagram, but actually it helps us to trace back the actual cause of the problem. But in the context of the question, we are not worried about this thing. The question is not asking about to find the root cause of anything. So option number A is not the right answer. Option number B says assumption and constant analysis. You see, whenever we do projects, whenever we do project planning, we do projects based on some assumptions. And if our assumptions are not going to be implemented or assessed as it is, then it is going to be translated into risk and issues. So when we are identifying the risk and we are performing the risk management, we have to double check our assumptions, that what are our assumptions, what are the constraints, and how we can cater them in the project. But again, in the concept of the question or the context of the question, this is not being asked, although it is one of the data analysis technique. So again, it is not the right answer for this question. Option number C says document analysis. You see, when we are identifying the risk, document analysis is one of the key data analysis technique, because it helps us to identify what is written in the contract, what we have documented in requirement document or a scope statement or a charter, so that we can work on these things. But again, the context of the question is not to analyze our document, so it is also not a right option. Option number D says SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. As we are identifying the risk from our checklist, and management wants to see the organization culture and structure, so we have to see it from the strength and weakness basis, that what is the strength of our organization, how good we are managing these kind of risks, what are the weaknesses of organization, and how we respond to these kind of risk, and what impact we can bear for this thing. So in the whole context, it is the right data analysis technique we need to employ based on the context of the question. I hope you understood it well. Thank you. Those who answered correctly through knowledge, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.